How to fix Fortnite not launching on PS5. So, when you encounter issue with Fortnite or any other game, it's a good idea to restart your PS5 first. This should help resolve any temporary issues with Fortnite and your console that may have led to the problem. Head over to the PS5 home screen and press the PlayStation button on your controller. Select the power icon and select Restart PS5 from the list. Once it has been restarted, now the next thing you want to do is to free up storage space. A lack of free storage space on your PS5 can also cause Fortnite to crash repeatedly. You need to check your PS5 storage status to ensure there is enough free space. So from the PS5 home screen, select the settings icon in the top right corner. Open settings menu on PS5. Select storage from the list. In the console storage tab, check the free space. If your PS5 is low on storage space, consider deleting any unwanted games, screenshots, clip and game data to get Fortnite to run smoothly. Now the next thing you want to do is to rebuild database. Your PS5 database includes essential information about your installed games, saved files, user profiles and more. If there is a problem within the database, Fortnite may take longer than usual to load or won't start at all. You can try rebuilding the database to see if that fixes the issue. In order to do so, what you want to do is turn off your PS5 and connect your DualSense wireless controller to the console via a USB cable. Then press and hold the PS5's power button until it beeps twice to enter the safe mode. Press the PS button on the controller. Select the Clear Cache and Rebuild Database option. And once again select Rebuild Database. Click on OK to confirm. Make sure you don't disconnect your PS5 from its power source during the process. Once it has been completed, it should fix the issue that you have been facing on PS5, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Fortnite not launching on PS5. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.